kids, do you want this? The Nerf gun? Well, it's really cool. It's light, portable, I guess. And it even comes with a few attachments, like this. It's really cool. I don't know what it does though, but it's really cool. It's really cool. I know it is. And then it also comes with the butt. The butt. It's really cool. My butt moves. That's how cool it is. Look. That's really cool, you know. So the Nerf gun. Wow. It's really cool. It can shoot. It's got this. You can fire it. Well, it also, here we go. You always have to have safety. Safety first. Safety. Always wear your goggles. Goggles are the best, the safety. So if you shoot you in the face, or the eyes, really, it won't hurt. So, okay. Now, you gotta cock it. The shoot, yeah. Okay, so here it goes. Yes, it is awesome. That's how far you can shoot. It shot to the bottom step. I know you can't see it, but it was really far. Let me see it again. Here goes. Here goes. It went to the moon almost. How far that side? That could have killed somebody almost. That's why I always wear goggles. So. See that target, that little red target on the stairs? I want to shoot it. Let's see how far it's going to go. Here it goes. Whew! Huh, it's out of bullets. Nothing. Really nothing. Just a bunch of nothing.